Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shreya here. I hope you all are doing good, and this video is going to be how to take effective notes and basically how I take notes. Let's get started. Firstly, I want to tell you some important material for making notes. The first one is your notebook. You can use spiral for making better notes, but अगर आपके पास अवेलेबल नहीं है तो आप नॉर्मल नोटबुक भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. It's totally up to you, but use quality paper. Second is textbook. When making notes, you should use NCERT, not any reference book, because NCERT is the best and should be your priority. Third is of course blue and black pen. You can use different quality pens. And next one is you should have highlighters or text liners. They are very useful in making notes and in marking important points and highlighting notable things. Last but not the least, color pencils or sketch pens. But I advise to use color pencils as they are erasable and it will help you to draw diagrams very neat and clean. So moving to the tips and tricks, first one is write phrases, not full sentences. Only record the key words and that you need to get the idea of the point and skip all the faltu words that are not needed at all. And the second point is take notes in your own words. It helps to understand and remember what you read. Try to paraphrase everything except where information needs to be noted exactly and make them short and concise and make crisp notes. Third point is structure your notes with headings, subheadings and numbered list. By doing this, you can just organize your notes in headings, subheadings and number list. That's all. And the next tip is code your notes. By using highlighters, color pencils and symbols, you can code your notes to get the idea of that particular topic. Fourth point is use color. Actually, I basically use colors for making diagrams because using colors make the diagram very neat and clean. Underline, circle or star. Marking an important point with circle or star will help you to recognize it, and you can also use different color of highlighter for it. Leave one page after each chapter. It will help you to add points after the chapter has ended, and if you have to add some new points to the chapter, you can use that page. Use sticky notes or upper portion of your page for important formulae or keywords. Use short forms. Using short forms will help you to make your notes concise and clear, and I have shown some short forms on the screen. You can note it down or take a screenshot. Next point is draw flow charts and diagrams. Flow charting and diagrams are really helpful to remember and recognize all the points. Try mnemonics. They are the best way to learn things, so make mnemonics. Only making notes will not help you to score good in your exams, so you have to just revise it multiple times. And yes, the last point is you don't have to use any reference book for making notes. You have to only use NCERT for making notes because it is the best book for making notes. You can use reference book for reading the theory and understanding the topics points and write it in your way in the copy, and it will really help you to revise and remember the points when you make the notes in your own language. Also, if you want, then you can use your mother tongue for noting important points. This is also very useful in remembering points. I hope it will help you to make your notes, and most important thing is that when you make notes in your own way, it is the best way to make notes. And yes, I also had uploaded before a short video of top 3 notes making technique. You can also refer to that for notes making. That's all. Thank you for watching, and the shout out goes to Shreyas.